Hey guys, how's everyone? TD here for another video, for another vlog. So we're gonna tour a little railway market today. So I'm currently walking towards the train station where we'll embark on a train and a local train, and then get to that little cute railway market. So come with me, guys.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Currently in the Mae railway market, just southwest of Bangkok. Very authentic market, selling fresh fruits, vegetables, all sorts of produce, some fresh meats, fresh fish. It runs through train lines, train tracks. So a few times a day, vendors have to lower their umbrellas and move away from the tracks to let the train go. And then as soon as the train passed, they just come back and set everything again. It's kind of hard, but that's what they gotta do a few times a day, every day.
Come on, are you ready? Hey, 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 yo!
It's a very narrow market with the train tracks right near. Very hectic, and a lot of locals and tourists, obviously, but mostly locals come and shop here, buy their local food. Currently walking on the tracks where the train passes by. It's gonna be another train in about 5 minutes, so we're gonna need to leave very soon when we hear the horns. So we're gonna see all these vendors getting rid of their produce on the tracks, making some space for the train. We're gonna see the train arriving now. They even put the food under the tracks, so just hide the food everywhere they can. The train is here. Oh, it's very narrow. Now they set everything up again, back to normal until the next train. Thank you for joining me exploring the Mae River Market. See you guys.